What is going on, everybody? It's your favorite crazy realtor. So I am outside of my home here in Dublin in the absolute pouring rain. And the reason I'm doing this today is it is pouring down rain, which means it's the best time to check your home out. Go outside, see if everything is working properly. Everything, like the roof, the gutters, the downspouts. So, and I'll show you how to do that. So we are going to take a spin around here. So here's my house. So as you can see, it is pouring down rain right now. Okay. So what you first want to do is just go to your house. Look at the roof, right? Are the gutters full? Is there water coming off of the top of the gutters? If that's the case, then your gutters need cleaned. And if you don't have clean gutters, the water is going to come off the side and end up down near the foundation of your home. And then eventually that is going to freeze. And you don't want that, because that's what causes foundation issues in your home, which is one of the more expensive issues you will have to tackle as a homeowner. So after you take a peek at the roof, what I want you to do is walk around the house, right? Look at how the soil meets the home, right? Is the soil sloping away from the home, or is it flat? If the soil is flat, or if the soil is sloping into the home, which we call negative grading, then that could be a problem. Like, see this? This is something that I need to tackle soon. So there is neutral grading right there next to my home. And why that is a problem is because water can just sit there. And when water sits there, it freezes, thaws, and whatnot, and then that can become a problem over time. So check your roof, check your downspouts. Are the downspouts working? Check the grading of your home. The grading meaning the soil next to your home. And make sure that it's sloping away. And now, if your home, most Central Ohio homes built, I would say probably after the 60s or so, maybe even before that, I'm not quite sure. The downspouts go right into the sewer. And then if you go to the front of the street, or where your property line meets the street, this is what you want to look for. So if you've ever noticed those holes right here, you want to make sure the water is flowing out. If that is bone dry on a day like today, what that means is the water is coming onto the roof, it's going into the gutters, it's going down to the downspout, and then it is stuck somewhere. And it could be stuck anywhere from where I'm walking all the way up to the foundation of your home. And that can be a big problem. So when we bought our house, we didn't realize, we made the mistake of not getting these drain lines checked, and this one was completely broken, so it wasn't working. And what was happening is, when we had the rain come down the roof, into the gutters, down the downspout, it was just sitting there next to our foundation, which caused a foundation issue, and it cost a couple grand to fix. So when the weather is crappy out, it is the best time to check your home out, to see the exterior of your home, to see if you have any issues going on. Josh Dawson, broker with Core Ohio Realty Advisors, your sunny weather and rainy weather favorite realtor. Hope you guys have a great day.